All right, how you guys doing? Good? I'm gonna give you guys one of these sheets so we get started. This is pretty much gonna go over everything that we're gonna get through with the class. You guys can take these home. They're waterproof too. These are gonna be your main waters that you're gonna be using when you're installing. Had some comments on one of the other videos I did, and somebody was telling me that their water was metering like 300, 340, and then somebody said like 700. I'm like, oh, that's literally, if you look it up, anything past like 300 is not safe. So if you consume it, you're like dead. This system went out and all we had was this, and we couldn't figure out what was going on. We couldn't get edges to wrap, we couldn't do anything. It was giving us marks in the film and everything. That's when we figured out, like, we just can't go back to this. We want the film to stick to the car once we squeegee it out. So if you put this on there, let's say you do get it to squeegee out, you just moved all this stuff into your edge. So when you guys are having a hard time wrapping edges and stuff, it's because all this stuff is sitting on the edge of your film. If you're spraying too much, let's say you can't get this edge to go down, and you're like, what the heck, you keep spraying in there? Water ain't gonna damage that because there's nothing in it. I'll start shutting restaurants down if I start metering the water at restaurants. I'll stick my meter in there. Everybody in the restaurant's like, what the hell is this dude doing?